Drop off lang. This is there. Mas nauna tayo sa kanila. Okay, so diretso na sila sa parking. Oh, we're gonna have dinner on Fresh International Buffet Restaurant.
Buffet.
Thank you. No diet today. Going now. Welcome to Solaire, Bertis North. So, tayo na lang natin. So, ito yung advanced birthday celebration ng dalawa kong anak kasi March 16 and March 18. Kaya, mag-dinner kami sa Fresh International Buffet Restaurant here at Solaire. Ganda na.
Wala.
Ay! Elevator dito sa Solaire. Here now at 6th floor. Let's go. So this is now the restaurant, guys, and this is the Fresh International Buffet. Okay, hello. Hello, mga bagets. So are you ready? Okay. Sige na, pagka na kayo. For my salad. Salad area. Carrot soup, stuffed capsicum. Oh, Western Station. Pizza. First plate pa.
Ako tapos na first plate ko.
Salad. Oh, tapos na raw yung first plate ni Mr. Nathaniel. Lobster. Unlimited lobster. At yun pa, kay Tisha. Unlimited lobster. Ito, pakita natin.
Euro.
Ito na, baby. Noon na kami pasta. First plate. And mine, soup and my salad. Kain tayo. So, and how's your first plate pa?
Ayos, masarap.
Yeah, the salad,
pati yung
no?
Ito yung Greek salad.
Greek salad. So, I got mine.
Hindi kaptak mo ng Greek salad.
So, this is my salad plate. soup.
Sarap ng shrimp.
Shrimp.
Squid.
Yeah, the squid. So, a little of everything. And this one also, yung kaharap lang to ng salad. Yung may soup, the chicken and beef and broccoli with cauliflower. Okay? Hindi pa kayo nagkumuha ng lobster? Oo, sige. Lobster. Okay. So, how's your plate? 10? What's your first plate? Oh, yung favorite nila. Okay. That's me.
Nauna po yung sa akin.
Okay. So, enjoy your meal.
Ako, binanatan na agad din.
Wow. Nakapila na kagad si Lobster si Christine. Okay. Okay, saglit lang naman. Tsaka marami silang staffs talaga. Mamaya na ako magla-lobster. Okay, so enjoy. Tingin dito. Hi, bagets. So enjoy your dinner. Kain. Walang diet ngayon. Okay.
Lugi ka, mag-lobster ka sa steak.
Medyo rare nga.
Ano to?
Picture mo nga. Parang hindi siya medium rare. Parang well done siguro talaga. Hirap kasi
Oh, for my vlog. Hi. Hi everyone. Advance happy birthday to June and Tin. Oh, kasi si Papa sa birthday nyo wala rito. Kaya ito na yung birthday na advance celebration na kasama si Papa. Okay? Kaya happy birthday to both of you. Ayan. So Rat, ikaw sa September. Okay? So advance na rin. Advance na rin. And it's lobster. Bakit? Ayun ba yung chili? Yung spicy?
Oh, hindi naman siya manghang eh.
Spicy na lobster. This is the wine bar. Unlimited wine. Filipino station. So ito na. May beef carrios. Ito kuha ko. I'll get some. Sarsyado. And ginisang ampalaya. Nathaniel's favorite.
Light lang naman kasi. Sa sweet kasi. So light lang naman.
Okay guys. So, I've experienced this kind of dining here at Soler Fresh International Buffet Restaurant sa Sibunso. Tikman natin to guys. Okay, laksa pa more. Hi June! So patikim ako ng laksa mo anak ha. Tikman natin kung how is it. Is it good? Okay. Masarap. Laksa. Okay. Okay. Yan ako. Dad, kumusta ka Thailand. Lourdes, how are you? Kumusta? Hindi na ako ulit. Ay. Japanese naman ako. So ako nitong dito sa Japanese station. Ito, I'll get that. Baka ng tray. Korean to. Lang kunin natin. Bagay dito na tayo. May na tayo sa dalawa. Kanilang Indian. Seafood cone. Skewers. Ano yung Pilipino? Chinese katabi ng Indian. This one naman yung sa lobsters. Ito yung kanilang raw lobsters. Unlimited na lang lobsters, guys. Sobrang dami. Fresh lobsters. Unlimited. Fresh International Buffet Restaurant here at Solaire. Solaire, Curtis North. Desserts na ako. Hanapin ko na yung desserts. Filipino Carvery Station. So, may lechon. Yeah, may crispy pata. Ito yung pork roll. So, meron sila dito. Hello, Kuya! Hi! Yes, thank you, Kuya. So, fresh restaurant here. International restaurant. So, ito na siya, guys. Ito yung kabuuan ng restaurant dito sa Fresh. So, here. And dito na ako sa dessert stations. Salad pala. Salad stations. So, hanapin ko yung dessert. Ito yung salad stations nila. And kasama to. And hanapin natin yung kanilang dessert station. Okay. So this one's Western. The whole restaurant, guys. So if you will visit the restaurant, the buffet restaurant, fresh, ito na yung kanya. Then mayroon silang dining dun sa loob. And this is the dessert station. Yan, the dessert station. Dito na tayo. So yung fresh fruits, andito lang. And assorted. Ang daming mga fruits. So yan. And kukuha nila na kung may ice cream sila. Kuya, may avocado kayo? Ah, okay. Ayan. Yung fondant. So, may fondant sila. Okay. That's all. Kuha na ako ng aking desserts. Yung cakes nila dito. Dami rin. So, get na mine. Tang ko na siya lahat, guys. And this is the other dining area. Mas maganda dito kasi parang mas cozy yung place na to kaysa dun sa amin sa labas. Ito yung sa loob. So, ito naman, ito yung area ng outside. Hindi naman siya outside, kaya lang kasi mas pagpasok mo ng fresh na international buffet restaurant, yan na kaagad ang makikita mo. Yung kukuha namin. So, yun. So, okay, let's go. Yes, thank you. Let's go. Hi, Odette. Ito yung aming area. So, kasi pagpasok lang from dun sa main entrance, makikita na kagad yung aming table. So, eto. Ayan, yan kami. So, ito may other dining. Tapos, mayroon pa dito. Yan yung kanilang counter. So may isa pang area dito na dining. Okay? So, guys, that's the entrance. Okay. Let's have desserts.
Busog na ako.
Busog na sila lahat. Are you full?